Long before the crowd arrives, the work begins. Cases roll in, lights go up, crews move fast. Behind every concert, production, and live event is a team constantly in motion. In this industry, nothing stands still for long. Live production demands more than strength. Tight timelines, heavy equipment, long load-ins, overnight changeovers. Every movement matters. Every delay creates pressure. When your equipment doesn't move the way it should, your entire crew feels it. Caster Connection builds mobility solutions designed for the realities of live production. Built to move through cables, concrete, ramps, trailers, and crowded backstage environments with smooth, reliable control, helping reduce strain during long shifts while keeping equipment moving from load-in to load-out. Because when the pressure is high, dependable movement matters. The audience sees the performance, but behind the scenes, every successful show depends on movement, coordination, and crews that never stop. You can trust Caster Connection to help keep your productions rolling smoothly, so your team can focus on what comes next. The spotlight may fade, but the work never stops. Caster Connection keeps your business in motion. Go to casterconnection.com to shop online or to talk with a Caster nerd.